it's time we do something bigger. This is a 500-gram cake, 25 shots. It is a fan cake, and this is called Purple Storm. This is from Torro Fireworks. There's a QR code right there. Performance on the bottom here, it says, this item is a real firestorm with crackling mines in each shot, raising to huge bursts of strobe, willow, fish, and popcorn crackle. The multi-layered effect and intense pace will blow you away. Sounds interesting. This was $53.95, so a little pricey, but hopefully it's worth it. Got a rip in it. A little sneak peek there for you. This thing is very dusty. I've had it sitting up on the shelf for a long time. I think I've had this for almost 2 years now. Yeah, same thing on that side. Purple Storm fan cake. I'll go ahead and rip the top off here. Let's see what we got going on in here. Oh yeah. Okay, so it looks like we got multiple sizes here. 2 different sizes, actually. That looks like probably 1 inch. And then 3/4 inch. Yeah, that looks about right. I would have to assume that's what that is. And you got 5 rows. So looks like this should be pretty interesting. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what it does. Okay, so I actually just measured the bore size on this. This is 1 inch. This is about 1 inch and 1/8. So slightly bigger than 1 inch. So a little bit bigger than what I thought. So yeah, should be pretty interesting. Let's see what it does. All right, here goes Purple Storm by El Torro. Nice. That one's a nice one. Yeah, that was a pretty good one. It's still smoking. Pretty nice. I like the comments on it. This was actually more of a magenta than a purple. And but it was still really nice. I really like it. Nice blend of comments and reports. Looks like all shots fired. Pretty nice. Definitely recommend it. I don't know if they have like a a series going with this. Purple storm. Maybe they have like a red storm, a blue storm, or something like that. That'd be kind of interesting. I'll have to see if they do. Yeah, it's a really nice cake. I really like it. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.